Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a red makeup tutorial for you guys. This is this classy red lips smoky eye look. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the moisturizer and skincare, all that you do on your face, and I'm gonna show you guys how I started with the makeup. So I started with this K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. This is my current favorite foundation. I love this. I love the texture of this foundation because it's very dewy and very light on your skin, and it's buildable coverage. So if you want like full on proper coverage, you have to go 2 layers. And I'm going ahead with the banana powder from the Makeup Revolution. And I'm baking under my eyes and wherever I apply 2 layers of foundation to set the foundation in place, and I'm keeping it there, and I'm moving on to the eye makeup. I'm gonna start with this burnt brick color eyeshadow from Huda Beauty, and I'm using it as the base color. So I'm just filling this color on my lids, and I'm using the same color under my lash line as well. Once that's done, I'm gonna take a darker color and create this smoky look. I thought I'll just do this and I'll just make this dark smoky burnt brick color look, but then by the end of the tutorial I decided to go ahead with the black shadow as well. I'll get there. And now I'm gonna apply this shimmery rose color, which is similar to red, but it's not actually red, but it's a reddish shimmer. And now I'm gonna go ahead with this champagne color on the inner eye corner, and you just blend it really well. All these 3 colors should be really blended and it should look like a gradation. And now I'm gonna go ahead with the liquid liner and create a fox eye look. If you guys want to know how I do my fox eye, I have another tutorial on that. So yeah, once the eyeliner is done, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So yeah, once that is done, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. And I'm blending it out really well with the spoolie. And once that's done, I'm just cleaning the edges of my eyeshadow with a Q-tip. And you can go ahead and apply a lash if you want, false lashes if you want. And I am contouring my face with the Sugar Mini Bronzer right now. I'm talking to somebody on phone right now. And I'm contouring my nose and my whole face with the same bronzer, mini bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. So once that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and use the K Beauty blusher. I love this blusher. It's very subtle and very light on your skin. All the details of the products that I'm using will be listed down below in the description box. And then I'm using this shimmer highlighter from Swiss Beauty. I love this highlighter. And yeah, once that's done, I'm going ahead with the lipstick, and I'm so impressed by the color. I'm using this for the first time. This is Maybelline long lasting liquid lipstick, and I'm in love with this shade. This is in the shade Dancer. I'll be putting the link down below. And then I decided to go ahead with a black eyeshadow just to create that smoky look because the other one wasn't enough. I needed more drama. And yeah, that's a shimmer black eyeshadow, and that palette is from Makeup Revolution. And you blend it out really well with the colors that you already have on your eyes. You have to be really careful while you do this because your whole makeup is already done, so make sure there is no fallout. So I would suggest you to do this in the beginning itself when you did the eyeshadow. And yeah, we are pretty much done, you guys. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and it's been a long time since I did a tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.